So we decided to take a little side stop at the Hoover Dam. We stayed in Las Vegas last night. Stay tuned for my comprehensive review of the Manor Lodge at Circus Circus. Spoiler alert, the beds were horrible, but that's all right. We have had a wonderful morning. We got up bright and early because we just wanted to get the heck out of those beds. Had a lovely breakfast at the McDonald's right next door. The guy that served us, he was delightful. He was just a treat and a pleasure. And then we were heading out, expecting to not stop until Searchlight on the way to Yuma, but then I saw the sign that said Hoover Dam was only like 13 miles away, kind of out of the way. And I said, my goodness, I've never been to the Hoover Dam. So for goodness sake, for 10, 12 miles out of the way. Is Herbie's Dam right there. You can see the line there. The water is really low. Come on, Pootsies.
I'd like to be over there.
I mean, this is beautiful country, though. My goodness sake. And look at that bridge. And this isn't even the most dramatic view of it. The best view is when you're coming down around that bend over there. But I was driving and couldn't record it or take a picture. But I will, if possible, get that view for you because it's freaking awesome. Man. All right, I got to take some pictures of the crew, so we'll be right back. So this is super awesome. My darling James figured out why my camera was only doing like smaller close-up type shots while recording, and he fixed it for me. So we're getting a much wider view, which is just fan-freaking-tastic. He's just so handy. I don't understand him. He doesn't want to be in our videos, but he has his own channel. Someday I will let you guys know what that's all about, his channel, but not right now, because he didn't want to be in that shot. So, meh.
Reggie! Memer!
Whoa! Jeez!
Mom, let's go down there and get some pictures.
Okay, just a minute. Okay, I don't think you can really get the magnitude of this, but if you're standing here looking down, holy dizzy. It's like some kind of overflow deal. And then me, hush! There's this ginormous black hole over here. Some kind of tube. Reagan, get down! We are not dying today. Anyway, it's like an overflow or something, I don't know. Way to direct the water. Quiet! You guys, hush! And then you can see this whole overflow or catchment or whatever the heck it is. Anyway, the size, it is crazy. It is really hard to fathom, especially through a video, but dang. Yeah, majestic. P.S., so that you know, it is free to be here. You don't have to pay like a parks cost, national park cost, or state fee of any kind, which is fantastic. Yeah. There's this crazy ladder. And I'm not particularly scared of heights, but dang. Yeah. Okay. They're a little bit excited, which is fan-freaking-tastic, especially since Reagan didn't think he wanted to get out of the car. Anyway, so like I said, you don't have to pay to be here, but we are here in December, and so obviously it's not nearly as busy as it would be in the summer. I'll show you this building over here where you get set up for tours and whatnot. That does cost. There's a parking garage there, and I believe the sign said that that is $10 to park there. There are a couple other parking areas down in that area that cost $10. I don't know why you would want to pay to park there when you can park where we did, which was just up here. In fact, I think you can see our van up there. Yeah, we got a parking spot right up there, just off the road, and totally legit parking spot, and right close to everything. You just had to walk down the hill a little ways. Not sure how I missed this, but I just realized it, so I'm telling you. So you can see all these parking spots behind me, nice and empty. That's great. And I was like, oh wait, we could have parked even closer. But no. This is the one of the parking lots that I was telling you about that we passed that cost $10 to park, because over there is the little check-in gate where you pay. So yeah, but like I said, we got to park for free and got us just a little bit of exercise coming down here. Okay, now we just crossed back into Nevada. Woo-hoo-hoo! How cool is that? There's a closer view of that gaping, ginormous hole where the water goes down. I can just imagine this, like what, in the springtime or whenever they use this. This would just be madness, water, you know, just crashing through here. Boy, it'd be loud. Oh yeah, tiny little drain. That seems really inadequate. I'm gonna have to look up some pictures or videos of what this looks like in the spring and summer, because I will not be coming back here in the spring or summer. All right, final view of the great big hole. And I'm thinking, Reagan, stop spitting. I'm thinking there is something really profound about this ginormous yawing hole.
It looks like the Willy Wonka hole.
Yeah, it does kind of look like something Willy Wonka. Reagan, get down. Last thing we need is to lose a kid down in that hole. Update, folks. So, James, always handy, read a sign, and come to find out the last time that this was used was 1983, 2 years after I was born. And the sign said, if you see water running through here, it is an historic event. So, no sense looking up photos or videos, at least not current ones, of water rushing through here. We'll have to be checking out some archives. Crazy. And now, here we are on the other side. Holy cow! Good grief! Again, this is another instance where video just will not capture the immensity and grandeur of what we are seeing. My goodness sake. Jeez Louise. Mimi? So it's the same time in both of them then?
No.
Oh.
Hey, look.
Just a sec, just a sec.
That one's at a right angle.
Oh, Arizona time is 10 o'clock and Nevada time is 9 o'clock. We are just traveling through time. Oh, as far as time that Olivia was talking about, there's this sign here that says Arizona time and says 10 o'clock, well, a little after 10. And then over there is Nevada time, and it's 9 o'clock.
But It's only showing.
So we wanted to see if going back and forth across the line would change the time on our phones that changes automatically, but it doesn't. Maybe if we were in one spot for a while, then it would change. I don't know. There's Daddy taking pictures of us. The visitor center that is down the escalators is like, what, $3 a person, I think. And I decided it wasn't worth it. Because there's plenty to see without having to pay. And you know how I am about paying for stuff.